I woke up this morning to some beeping sound, which I quickly realized was some electrical appliance telling me that it had just lost power. It was about 5 o'clock this morning, and yeah, the power's out. It's about 8, and no signs of the power coming back on. Roads are frozen up. Limbs are cracking all over the neighborhood. Sounds like fireworks, and I'm not going fishing. All right, so heard a big crash and came out, and this limb here was laying up next to my truck. I think it just kind of grazed the side of the truck. Maybe got a little dent on the side, but I moved both our trucks out of the danger zone. There's quite a few more limbs on this tree that are covered with ice. This tree's actually saved us many times from hailstorms, but I guess ice is a totally different thing. And yeah, more to come. So day 2, no power, and we got a few more branches fell down overnight. Fortunately, nothing has fallen on the house, but I cannot get my boat out. Luckily, we got a couple of buddies coming over here. Gonna do a little chainsawing, and the plan is to actually get the boat out and do some fishing in the morning. We shall see. All right, one man with the chainsaw can work miracles. All right, after all of that, we drove 100 miles of river, and here's what we got. Chocolate milk. Oh well, I guess I ain't going fishing. All right, this beginning of day 3, no power. Initially, the estimate was at 12 to 24 hours we'd have power again, but now they're saying maybe a couple more days. Anyway, going fishing. So the neighborhood is completely dark. Pretty crazy. And it's only 36 degrees now, so shouldn't be any ice, no rain, snow, any frozen precipitation. So, and I think it's supposed to get up in the 50s today. So yeah, I'm going fishing. My client flew in from Florida. We were supposed to fish yesterday and today, but he barely got in yesterday afternoon, and I went and checked the river. It's blown out, so we're gonna do a little lake fishing, you know, try to make a little lemonade. It's a power plant lake, so there's actually some warm water, and you know, who knows, fish may be eaten, but all we can do is try. Anyway, fingers crossed. All right, that looks like a crew working on the lights. Who knows? Maybe when I get home, there'll actually be lights. That'd be pretty awesome.